Hey J babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this cute and easy soft Korean inspired look. I hope you guys enjoy. So first, I am adding a little of Mellow Cosmetics eyebrow tint to the end of my eyebrows. Their products are actually very good and I feel like it's really underrated right now, but you guys should definitely check it out. I did leave a link in my description. As you can see, once I was done, I used a brow brush to brush out my brows so that I can make them look more natural. After that, I used an eyebrow definer to outline my eyebrows to my liking. After priming my face, I am applying L'Oreal's lotion to make my skin look more soft and dewy. I am priming my eyelids with Ulta Beauty's Matte Eye Primer. Then I am using a little sponge to blend out the primer. With e.l.f. Cosmetics Eyeshadow C Brush, I will be setting my lids with this nude shade. Once we are done setting our lids, I will be using e.l.f. Cosmetics Blending Brush, and I will be applying this darker pink around my brow bone area in the middle of my crease. With my middle finger, I will be applying this softer pink shimmer shade to the middle of my eyelids. With a black eyeliner pencil, I will create a very light wing. I feel like a lot of Koreans prefer a more natural look when they apply makeup, so they only apply very little eyeliner. I think eyeliner pencil gives me more control when I am drawing out my wing, but that could just be my opinion. The eyeliner pencil that I am using will be linked below, just in case if you guys are curious. Everything here is pretty straightforward. I am applying my foundation with L'Oreal's True Match Foundation, then concealing my under eye areas with Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer. And I will be blending everything out with a blending sponge that I bought from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So contouring, we won't need a lot. I am just using very little contour because I feel like many soft Korean looks, people prefer to look younger and cuter. I am applying some pink blush to my cheek area. I think blush is the main thing that helps create a Korean inspired look. It makes you look so much cuter and younger. I wanted to go with a pink color for my lips because I think it fits well with this soft and dewy look. But before applying this lip gloss, I did apply a little of Becca Cosmetics lip liner. With Beige Cosmetics highlighter and top notch, I did apply a little around my face to make it look more glowy. I will not be using any fake eyelashes in this look because I feel like many Koreans do not like to use fake lashes. They're more focused on a natural look. But with L'Oreal Paris Mascara, I am focusing more applying to the ends of the lashes and working my way in. This will help make the eyelashes look more fuller and more natural. Once that is done, I will also be applying a small amount to my lower lashes. Before finishing the look, I will go back in and apply this light pink shimmer shade to the inner areas of my eyes, and also using it to highlight my eyebrows. Okay, now setting spray and we are done. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I had so much fun creating this look. If you guys are interested in mukbangs and fun content, please go and check out my girl's YouTube channel. It will be linked below in my description. Also, please stay tuned for my upcoming giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on all my social media. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.